Hello students, I am Mr. Rajesh Kumar, lecturer in English. I work at SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana. In this video, I would like to teach the topic adjectives. In previous videos, I presented nouns and pronouns. This is our third video of parts of speech. So let us see what's an adjective, what are kinds of adjectives in this video with some exercises. What's an adjective? So before going to definition, we'll see two examples. First sentence. A man came into the room. If I say a man came into the room, the noun man doesn't make a clear picture in your mind, isn't it? So let us go to second sentence. A thin man came into the room. If I say a thin man came into the room, I limit the meaning of the noun man. You don't see in your mind a fat man or even a man of ordinary shape, only a thin man. So I limit the meaning of the noun man in this sentence. So the word thin in second sentence is an adjective. In the first sentence there is no adjective. In the second sentence the word thin is an adjective. It tells us what kind of man we mean by our noun man. Thin man, fat man. Okay. So here adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or pronoun, including its quality, quantity and position. Put it simply, adjective is a describing word. It describes noun. It modifies noun. We use an adjective with a noun to limit the meaning of the noun. The adjective qualifies the noun. Example, a thin man, a fat man, an old lady, a new look, a heavy box. Here I have given you adjectives in red color: thin, fat, old, new, heavy. These are all adjectives. So these adjectives tells us more about noun. In the first, a thin man. Okay, how is he? He is thin. Tells us about noun. Second, a fat man is fat. An old lady, a noun, old, adjective. New book, noun, new, adjective. Heavy box, a heavy box. Box, noun, heavy, adjective. So it's very clear that this adjective qualifies the noun. It tells us more about a noun. Right? Next line. The adjectives usually goes before the noun. So we have seen all the adjectives which comes before the noun. There are some exceptions also. We will see them in next videos. Okay. So a red bag, a big dog, a long journey. So in this you please identify adjectives. What is adjective in red bag? A red bag, a red is an adjective because it tells us about the noun bag, what color it is. Next, a big dog. Here dog is noun, big is adjective. Next, long journey. A journey a noun, long an adjective. Okay, so let us go to next slide. Let's move to next slide. Here, put suitable adjectives before each of the following nouns. I have given some 6 nouns here. So what you have to do, you put suitable adjectives before the nouns. I have given an example. Noun, bus. Bus, it's a noun. So you put an adjective before bus. A red bus, a blue bus, a black bus, right? Like that you do the exercise. I have given 6 nouns. 1 house, 2 book, 3 tree, 4 headache, 5 dog, 6 woman. Okay, so you can write like this: a big house, second a new book, a green tree. Like even write some nouns before, some adjectives before the nouns, right? Next, pick out the adjectives in the following sentences. So I have given 3 sentences in the slide. So you have to pick out the adjectives or identify the adjectives in the sentence. The first sentence is, they live in a big red house. So what is an adjective here? Big red. It's an adjective. Okay. Second sentence, Raj is a clever boy. Clever is an adjective, right? Ramesh is a kind man. Kind is an adjective. Okay, so next exercise is, complete these sentences with adjectives from the box given below. Have given a box below the sentences. What you have to do is, you have to pick those pick suitable words and put it in the blank, right? So first one is done for you. The first one is, the man bought a dash car, new car, right? Second question, the teacher gave us a dash lesson. Which is adjective suitable? Interesting lesson is correct answer, right? Third question, have you seen a dash cow? We have lost it. So black shoots. Next question, an elephant is dash animal, big animal. A mouse is a small animal. Okay, so these are adjectives. We have completed the sentences with adjectives given in the box. So I hope you understand very well, and we have done so many exercises based on adjectives. I think you have well versed with the adjectives. Let's move to next slide. So let us see what are kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quality. So these adjectives of quality tell us what kind. Those are called adjectives of quality. Okay, so the words that tell us what kind are called adjectives of quality. Example: fair, tall, thin. In previous slide we have seen thin man, tall building, fair lady. So these are adjectives of quality. They describe size, color, shape of a person or object. Okay. Next, adjectives of quantity. They tell us how much or how many. Example: how much or how many. Some, much, many. Okay, so here 2, 3, 4, these are all adjectives of quantity. For example, I have 2 eyes. A 2 is an adjective of quantity, and I will give some more examples. Okay, for example, there were 10 green bottles standing on the wall. 10 green bottles. 10 green bottles. So 10 green is an adjective. Adjectives of quantity. Okay, so these are the examples for adjectives of quantity. And also I have written given here much, many. Okay, much and many are all also adjectives of quantity. They tell us the quantity but not so definitely at the number as the numbers 1, 2, 3. These are also called much, many are also called adjectives of quantity, but they don't give, they are not so definitely as the numbers, right? Remember this thing. For example, if I say I don't have many friends in Hyderabad. I don't have many friends in Hyderabad. Many is an adjective. Adjective of quantity. There are not many apples on the tree. Many apples. Many adjectives of quantity. Another example I will give you, which is not on the slide. I will read it aloud. I didn't eat much breakfast this morning. Okay, much. What's an adjective of quantity? We didn't have much rain this morning. Much, adjective of quantity. So these are examples for sentence, are examples for adjectives of quantity. So they show how much or how many. Remember this, how much or how many, right? So next, demonstrative adjectives. What are demonstrative adjectives? They point to a person or thing. Okay, these adjectives point out people or things. For example, this, that, these, those, these are all demonstrative adjectives. Example, this car is old. Okay, this is a demonstrative adjective, right? So I will use some more examples. I have not written on this slide. Okay, so that car is old. That is an demonstrative. That is a demonstrative adjective. Those cars are new. Those, a demonstrative adjective. and I'll read out a sentence. Try to find out the demonstrative adjective in the sentence. Okay, right. Those cars are new. What is demonstrative adjective? Those. Okay, so remember that this and these are generally used for things. Okay, things that are near. That and those are generally used for things that are further away. Okay, remember this. This and that go with singular, these and those with plural. Remember this, that we use with singular nouns, these and those we use with plural nouns. Okay, so these are demonstrative adjectives. They point out people or things. Okay, next, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession or belonging. It is my car, it is your book, my, our, your. These are possessive adjective. Belonging, my car, my book, our house, your book. Right? Next, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives used with nouns to ask questions. Okay. Example: what, whose, which. These are interrogative adjectives. What book are you reading now? What is an interrogative adjective? It is used to ask question. Used with nouns. Here, what is noun? Book is noun. What book? So we used this interrogative adjective with noun book. What book are you reading now? What price are eggs today? What is an interrogative adjective. Which boy can answer this question? Which is an interrogative adjective. I am giving more examples. Right? So, which house do you live in? Which is an interrogative adjective. Whose book is this? Whose, interrogative adjective. Whose house is that? It's an interrogative adjective. Whose cat is this? Whose is an interrogative adjective. So I have given many examples for interrogative adjectives. Let us move to next slide. So here another exercise for you, and I have also given answers. Let us see. Identify the adjectives and mention their kinds. There are 20 books on the desk. Here 20 books. So underline 20. So 20 is an adjective of quantity. Next, give the beggar some food. So I have already underlined adjectives and also have written the what kind of adjective is it in the bracket. Okay, so I'll explain them. Some food, it also adjective of quantity. Some, much. Okay, in previous slide we learnt the kinds of adjectives. Okay, so adjectives of quantity: much, many. Right, they are not so definite as numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, so next sentence, third, that girl over there is beautiful. So that is a demonstrative adjective. So already I have told you that these, those, this are demonstrative adjective. Okay, so that those are used for things that are further away. Okay, next, what question did the interviewer ask? What interrogative adjective? Interrogative adjective is used with the nouns to ask questions, right? Next, these walls need whitewashing. These adjective, demonstrative adjective. Okay, so these is generally used for things that are near to us, right? Next, what price are eggs today? What interrogative adjective, right? Let's move to next slide. So now the topic is position of adjectives. So usually I have already told you that usually adjectives goes before nouns, and but there are also some exceptions. You'll see the position of adjectives in this slide. Attributive position, they take attributive position. An adjective is placed just before the noun in an attributive position. In such a position, the adjective describes the noun. Is an intelligent boy. Boy is a noun, so intelligent is an attributive position. She is a beautiful lady. Lady is an noun. Beautiful is an adjective. Next, predicative position. An adjective is placed after the linking verb such as be, become, seem, look, appear, and so on in a predicative position. You look handsome. Handsome is an adjective, but it takes predicative position here. He is happy. It is in predicative position. It is placed after the linking verb, right? Next, very often when several adjectives are attached to one noun, they may be placed after it for emphasis. The prince, fearless and determined, came to the rescue of the princess. So here two adjectives, fearless and determined, are used in the sentence. So they are attached to noun prince. So they placed after the noun prince for emphasis, right? So with this we finish our third topic in parts of speech, that is adjective. So in this video we learnt what's an adjective, what are kinds of adjectives, and also we did some exercises. Also we learned the position of adjectives. So with this we finish the topic adjectives. In next video we'll see